All right, so this is just to tell you how to submit your Snapshot project for Friday. So on Friday's lesson, you will see that there is a assignment that says American Voices Snapshot Project Submit Here. So you are going to follow the instructions. It says please upload your Snapshot project here. Make sure to click on the Add Files button, then click on the link button and add your link from Google Slides. So you'll go down here. You'll click Add Files. You can go just directly to Google Drive and grab your slides. That way you can also create a link through there. So I am going to show you Cooper's for example. So when we go back here to the plans for the day for Friday, mine's going to look a little bit different because I'm the teacher in the course, but when I click on this folder, what I should see is, just give me a second, that you have submitted it. So I'm going to use Cooper's for example because everybody else hasn't quite submitted yet. So when I click on Cooper's, what I should be able to see when you've turned it in correctly is the Google Slides that come up from your Google Slide link share. So if you've shared your link correctly, this is what I should see as your first slide. Then I'm going to click on this open in Google Docs, and then it will take me where I can actually see the whole thing. Make sure that you have also shared it with me in Google Slides. Otherwise, I won't be able to open it. So you need to make sure you share it with me and that you insert the link from Google Slides for your submission. And if you can see this when you submit, then you have done it correctly. All right, hope that helps.